Good morning and afternoon, everybody. You got the daily news. It's your host, Lava. On Monday, 29 July 2019, man kill himself on runway.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Chinese man dash your belly cause a Jamaican picnic. See clip there? Man kill him 4-year-old son over cheesecake.
Oh, give me rum. Oh, give me rum.
No man, I say man well hungry. Man collapse and go in a coma because he find out say he also him a rent for 10 years and wife.
You are mad bumbo clad girl. You need psychiatric evaluation.
He also. So let's move on to Dr. Lava over there.
Yo, I'm telling you, man.
Mr. Lava. Well, we're in the city right now. And I'll be complaining to people. I will show you what they are talking about.
Me say every time for wind up, everything flood out. The city where you're resting, that gone, no more. The bed where there's no even no bed to sleep on. Me say no bed, no dead if it's
Never see it yet. So anybody see them lie. How we never see it yet. I want back everything. Laptop, phone, everything. A 5-phone flood, I want back everybody. Name brand furniture, name brand bed, and name brand car.
So I'm gonna head over to Mr. Lava right now. That is for the news today.